So you already know from the thumbnail, I'm here with a new unboxing video. Guess what it is? It's iPhone 13 Pro! Yo. So I just got an iPhone 13 Pro of 256 gigs on gold. It is not real gold, but the color is gold. So you get it, right? So let's check what we get inside the box. Do we get anything new from the previous year, or do we get the same? So as we can see, you get the usual SIM ejector, one Apple sticker, and a charging cable. It's same, I guess. I mean, it is same. I don't guess. It is right. So guys, it is the end of unboxing. So signing off, it's Unicorn Pictures coming up with new exciting videos. Thanks, enjoy your day. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon. Thank you! Fuck you, cunt.